Welcome back, champion. I want to take a moment to deeply appreciate you for staying consistent on this journey. You don't just sign up for maths course. You made a decision to transform the way you solve problems and prepare for exams. Today, in this short but powerful session, I'm going to show you how ratio and proportion, this simple concept, can solve real SSC and bank exam questions from two important topics: problems on edges, and partnership. So grab your notebook, stay present, stay away from distraction, and make sure to write down at least one breakthrough you have during this video. Because when you share your learning in the comment box below, you remember better and you inspire others too. Are ready? Let's dive in. Let's start by solving simple ratio and proportion problem. Question number 1. Marks of x and y are in the ratio 3:11 respectively. If the marks of x is 9, then find the marks of y. X by y is equal to 3 by 11. I'll multiply with constant k. The values of x and y are 3k and 11k. If x is 9, x is 3k is equal to 9. Let's find the value of k. 3 and 9. K is 3. Then find the marks of y. Y is 11k. 11 into 3. That is 33. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 2. The ratio of boys and girls in a school is 27:23. If the difference between the number of boys and girls is 200, then find the number of boys. Boys is, I'll take 27x. Girls number is 23x. The difference is 27 minus 23, 4. X. 4x taken from the difference between 27 and 23. I multiply with a variable x. This value is 200. Cancel it. 4, 5 are 20. Here x is 50. Number of boys. Boys is the first one. The first one is 27x. 27x is 27 into 50. 27 is odd. Subtract 1 from 27. We have 26. Half of that is 13. When we multiply by 5, we have unit is 5. We still have 0 here. Product of 27 and 50 is 1350. Where do we have 1350? Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 3. If 36:81, 36:81 can be written as 36 by 81 equal x by 63. X is 63 can be written in this form. Now cancel with 9. 9 are 81. 9 7 are 63. 9 4 are 36. Therefore, your x is 7 into 4, 28. 28 is option 3. Now let's work on problem on edges. The logic is, when we come across the word hence or after, we have to add it. Before or ago means subtract it. I'll give you an example. If we have 5 years hence, you have to add 5. After 2 years, meaning add 2. If we have before 3 years, we have to subtract 3. If we have 4 years ago, we have to subtract 4. That's the logic. Now let's solve question number 4. The ratio between the present ages of A and B is 3:5. A, B, that is 3, I'll call 3x, and 5x are the value of A and B. If the ratio of their ages 5 years hence, 5 years hence means plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 becomes 13:20. This is 13/20. Then the present ages of B is B. We are asked to find 5x. I'll get the answer from the option itself. Okay. Answer plus 5 must be divisible by 20. Okay. 30 plus 5, 35, not divisible by 20. 32 plus 5, 37, not divisible by 20. 40 plus 5, 45, not divisible by 20. 35 plus 5, that is divisible by 20. 40 is divisible by 20. Therefore, the right answer is option 4. Can you understand? Okay, let's solve question number 5. Ratio of the present age of a mother to that of daughter is 7:1. Mother's present age is 7x. Daughter's present age is x. After 5 years, the ratio will become 4:1. After means plus. After 5 years, plus 5 plus 5. The ratio become 4:1. This is 4/1. What is the difference in their present age? Difference is 7x minus x. That is 6x. Which of the given option is divisible by 6? Only option 2 is divisible by 6. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. If we have more than one option which is divisible by 6, we have to cross multiply and find the value of x. Then substitute here. Then only we'll get the value of 6x. The ages of Gyanendra and Arvind are in the ratio 6:5. Gyanendra, present age is 6x. Arvind, present age is 5x. If the sum of their ages is 55 years, the sum is 6 plus 5 is 11x is equal to 55. Cancel it, 11, 5 are 55. Then what will be the ratio of their ages after 7 years from now? After means plus. After 7 years means plus 7. Plus 7. Plus 7. This is we are asked to find. 6 x value is 5. 6, 5, 30 plus 7 is 37. 5, 5 are 25 plus 7 is 32. We cannot cancel anymore. Therefore, the final answer is 37:32. Option 2 is the right answer. 7 years hence plus 7. That's the meaning. The ratio of S of A to that of B will be 2:1. If the ratio of S of A to B 3 years hence will be 5:2, then find the present S of B. Both are hence. Three years hence plus 3. Ratio will be 5:2. 7 years hence plus 3 plus 4 is 7. Ratio is 2:1. Find the present S of B. X plus 3 must be even. 12 plus 3 is 15. Even means divisible by 2. Okay? It cannot be even number. It cannot be this. It cannot be this. The possible answer is 5 and 9. Let's solve it. 3 years hence, let the present value be 5k and 2k. 5k plus 4 by 2k plus 4 is 2:1. Let's find k value. 5k plus 4 is equal to cross multiply 2 to a 4k plus 4 to our 8. Transfer it. 5k minus 4k is k equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. K is equal to 4. Put the value here. 4 to our 8. 8 minus 3 is x. B's present value is 8 minus this value 3, which is equal to 5. B's present value is 5. The present age of B is 5 years. Let's solve the next question. Ratio between the present age of Ranita and Rahul is 3:4. The present age is 3x and 4x. The sum of their ages is 63. 3 plus 4 is 7x, which is equal to 63. 7, 9 or 63. Here x is 9. What is the ratio between the age of Ranita and Rahul after 5 years? After means plus 5. Plus 5. Find this value after substituting the value of x. 9 3 27 plus 5. 9 4 36 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 in hand. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 in hand. 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer is 32:4:1. Option C is the right answer. Question number 9. The ratio of ages of A and B 2 years ago. A, B, 2 years ago minus 2 was 13:15. This is 13x and 15x. After 5 years, after means plus 5. The age of B is 4 years more than the age of A. 13 plus 2 plus 5. This is 20x taken from 13 plus 2 plus 5. The age of B is 4 years more than the age of A. 15 plus 2 plus 5. 22. 22x. The difference between these two, that is 2x. 22 minus 20 is 2x, that is 4. Now we can find x. 2, 2 or 4. Find the present s of b. I'll find 15x first. 15 into 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 is present s of b, 32. The final answer is option C. Can you understand? Let's work on partnership. As the name suggests, it's more than one person investing on something to get profit or to increase resources. This is the formula. If A, B, and C are partners in a business, then investment of A is to investment of B is to investment of C is equal to profit of A is to profit of B is to profit of C. Now let's solve question number 10. A, B, and C invest capital in the ratio 5:7:4. The timing of their investments being in the ratio X:Y:Z. If their profits are distributed in the ratio 45:42:48, then X:Y:Z is. Investment can be capital or time. You have to multiply all the investment. Okay. Now here multiply 5 and x, all the investment. That must be equal to the profit. 5x is to 7 multiply 7 and y. 7y is to 4z equal to the profit. 45 is to 42 is to 48. 45 is to 42 is to 48. 5, 9 are 45. 7, 6 are 42. 4, this is not 48, it's 28. 4, 7 are 28. Therefore, x is 2, y is 2, z is 9 is 2, 6 is 2, 7. That's the final answer. 9, 6, 7. We have option 1. Question number 11. A, B, and C invest money in the business such that 2 times of A share, 4 times B share, and 6 times C share are equal. 2 times A share equal to 4 times B share equal to 6 times C share. I can cancel it 2. 2, 2 are 4, 2, 3 are 6. A is to B is to C is, in place of A, multiply the coefficient of B and C. 2, 3 are 6. In place of B, multiply the coefficient of A and C. 1 into 3 is 3. In place of C, multiply coefficient of A and B. 1 into 2 is 2. If they earn 44,000, find the share of A. A's share is there is 6 part out of the sum. 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 11 into the amount. Amount here is 44,000. 4, 4 with 3 zeros. 11 into 4 is 44. We have 3 zeros. 4 24 with zeros. The share is 24,000. Can you understand? I shared this formula in the previous section. Watch the previous video. You'll get this formula. Okay. Question number 12. A and B start a business with some amount. After 9 months, A left the business. At the end of the year, the profit share of A and B is in the ratio 9:16. Find the ratio of investment of A and B respectively. A, B capital, let's call B. After 9 months, A left the business. A's share only for 9 months. At the end of the year, we have 12 months. B share the business for 12 months. And the profit is in the ratio 9:16. Cancel it. You can cancel 9, 9, 4, 3 are 12, 4, 4 are 16. Therefore, the final value is A by B is cross multiplied. 3 into 1 is 3 by, we have 4. The answer is 3:4. B is the right answer. Question number 13. B and Q start a business investing amounts of Rs 25,000 and 75,000. B, Q. B share 25,000 and Q share 75,000. Q left the business after 6 months. Q share only for 6 months. Q share in profit was 6,000 at the end of the year. At the end of the year, we have 12 months. Let's find the ratio. I can cancel 3 zeros. 6, 1 is 6, 6, 2 are 12, 25 into 3 is 75. The final ratio is 2:3. Q share is, I'll call 3x. And then P share is 2x. Then what is the total profit earned by them? We are asked to find the sum of 2x and 3x. That is 5x. Let's find x value. Q share a profit of 6,000. Q share is 3x. 3x is equal to 6,000. Cancel it. 3, 2 are 6. We have 3 more zeros. Put the value of x here. 5 into 2,000 is 5 to 10, 10,000. The total profit earned by them together is 10,000. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14. 3 friends A, B, and C get into a partnership with an investment of 2,800, 3,600, and 4,000. After X months, C left the business. The annual profit share C2, A, and B together is 5:12. Find how many months she was in the business. A, B, C. A capital is 2,800. B capital is more S. B capital is 3,600. B capital is 4,000. What can we cancel? We can cancel 2 0. We can cancel it 4. 4, 10 are 40. 4, 9 are 36. 4, 7 are 28. After X months, she left the business. She joined the business for X months. And B for 12 months. It's annual profit share. C share is 10 into X, 10X by A and B together. A and B multiply here. 7 to 14, 4, 1 in hand. 7, 1 is 7 plus 1, 84. Multiply 9 and 12. 9, 2 are 18, 8, 1 in hand. 9, 1 is 9 plus 1, 10. Add these two together. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 in hand. 8 plus 0 plus 1 is 9. We have 1 here. The sum of 108 and 84 is 192. This is equal to 5 is 12. 5 by 12. Cancel it. 5, 2 or 10. 2, 9 or 18. 1, 2, 2, 6 or 12. 12 into 8. 2, 8 or 16 one hand. A1 is 8 plus 1. Therefore, your x is 8. Where do I have 8? B is the right answer. If this video gives you clarity, imagine what's coming next. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to apply ratio and proportion to another topics like profit and loss, mixture and ligation, geometry, and in many more topics. Before you go, make sure to attempt the mock test in the bottom section of this module. Practice is your path to mastery. That's where you'll test your speed, clarity, and confidence. And don't forget to share your learning in the comment box below. It could be a formula you like, a trick you learn, or your score on the mock test. Because when you share your insights, you solidify your learning and become a guide for others in the track. Keep showing up. You are not here just to pass. You are here to rise. Let's continue your journey to maths mastery. I'll see you in the next video.